Hi guys, I'm Error Slayer and today I'm going to show you how to add captions in DaVinci Resolve. First step, click the Timeline Actions button. Then, selected Subtitle Track. Select the added subtitle track by clicking it once. Then click the Inspector button in the upper right corner. Make sure the Caption tab is selected and click the Create Caption button. You can edit your text from this section. You can also adjust detailed properties of your caption, such as font, color, and size, by clicking the Track tab. Also, from now on, whenever you need to add a caption, simply click on Inspector, and then click the Add New button. Thus, the second caption was added. I hope this how to add captions in DaVinci Resolve tutorial video was helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.